Hello everyone, today I will finish the remaining part of the overview of the cell. So we'll start with the body components and I will explain different parts of the body components and what their functions and how many types do we have of it. And let's start with the organization of the body, that what our body is organized of. It's organized of four components: cells, tissues, organs, and system. If we check on the right side of the slide, there are examples of each different cell, different tissues, different organs, and body systems. So let's go through them one by one. Let's start with the cell. Cell is the smallest living unit of organization in the body. Human body have different types of cells, and each cell has their unique function. We have cells like epithelial cells or skeletal cells, cells that move organs and body parts, so like skeletons. Fat cells that store nutrients. Macrophage, cells that fight the disease. Next, tissues. Tissue, once cells communicate with one another, then they similar in characteristic and formation. Those cells gather around and make tissues, form tissues. So four basic tissues in our body: connective tissue, muscle tissue, epithelial tissue, and nervous tissue. If you check on the right side of the slide, I will go through some of the information in a short, like the function that tissues have their own unique function or functions. Start with epithelial tissue that covers either the inner organs lining or the outside of the skin that protects us from heat, infections, bacteria. So they go into the intact skin. Or connective tissues like bones, blood, for body movement, transporting nutrients around the muscles. Muscle tissue moves the body with the skeleton. Nervous tissue controls the body with the sensors. Sensory is a motor sensor or receiver and sending sensors. Next, we will go with organ. So third is organ. Various tissue types come together and form an organ. Organ performs different type of functions and unique functions to each of them. Types of the organs, for example, lungs. How function is exchange of internal and external air. Stomach, chemical and mechanical digestion. Heart, pumping blood. Or pancreas or bladder. Each of them has and go with their own unique function, which is really helpful for the body and important. Next, we will go with system. So human body systems. After organs are found, now they can further function together as a system. Systems are made of a combination of various organs, and every system has its own unique function in the body, and it's really extremely important, such as like digestive system, digest digestion of the chemical and mechanical digestion and consumption of nutrients through the intestines, such as muscular system. Muscular system helps with body movement, skeleton movement, or soft tissue, having soft tissue organs, inner liners of the organs inside the body, or internal organs. Muscle help with that movement, such as like movement of stomach for digestion. Uh, Cardiovascular, pumping blood, transporting oxygen, transporting nutrients to our part of the body. Same with nervous system, processing, center for sensory input and output of the signals and sensors that are between the nerves, neurons. So each system has a unique function, and every system is important for the body. Especially nowadays, we really need of the immune system that helps us with our immunity in the body against the COVID-19 virus. Hopefully, we all get the hard immunity for that. So all the systems are important. So these were the body components of cell, tissue, organ system in our body. I hope I went through it short enough and with enough information, you guys have got it. Thank you so much.